We have mail. All right. So I ordered 2 more lights, obviously from Amazon. Probably going to come in a little bubble pack package like this. Tear it open, and here's our lights. Oh, I need a knife. I was not prepared. All right. So again, here is the part number. And it's funny, it even says they are error-free. All right. A little snip. And this is what you're going to find. 2 lights. All right, so let's dive into it. So some things to look for when you start taking these out. This is the original. When you look at the back side, there's a tab, right? So that's what holds it in the door. And your light bulb is on the side of the tab. So when you remove your old light, let's pretend this is in the door. You can't pry from this side because this side is what locks it in the door. So you take a small screwdriver, just going to push it right in, through there and pop it out. So it'll be easier to show you this now than down on the door. So I'm going to set this up, and I just noticed there's actually a little arrow. See that arrow? So you can look for that arrow too, and that'll tell you what side your tab's on. All right. So this is the right rear door. Again, bulb is on this side. There should be that little arrow we found. And I'm going to stick this in and pop it right out. Now to remove this wire, so you're looking at the bulb side, turn it around, and right here. And let me show you, see if I can get a little closer. Right there, there's a little tab. I'm going to push down on that. All right, it's unplugged. And no longer than that was on, this was already hot. Okay, so our new one, same deal. Just going to bring it up here, match that up. Look how much brighter, holy cow. All right, so we're just going to tuck this wire up in here. And this is just going to snap back in place. There we go. Look at the difference. All right, I hope you liked the video. I'm going to move over to the other side and wrap that one up. If this was helpful, please share with a friend. I would appreciate it. Maybe subscribe. And we're going to move on to the next project. See ya.